In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make text stand out on a photograph or a complicated background in Adobe Illustrator. We'll look at using gradients, overlays, and blending modes.
I really can't see this top text very well. I need an overlay on top of this photo. I'm going to make a rectangle, and I'm going to just do it right here for now. I can go up to that gradient tool. Let's go up to Window, Gradient, and we're going to do a black and white effect. And I actually want the black to be at the bottom for this. So let's change this to 90. And this is currently a solid shape. That's not really what I want. So you can actually change the opacity of this with the opacity box down here. So I essentially want no white to be showing. I just want the black. So the black gradients into the photo. Let's drag this over. I'm also going to do a little bit more transparency work on this. So let's go to Window, Transparency. And you have these blending modes is what they're called in the transparency box. And Multiply is magical. I love the Multiply option. You can see what it did there. It kind of has this like hazy look right now. If you go to Multiply, it just blends that gradient into the photo really well. Let's bring this text back to the front, arrange, bring to front. Let's change the color of the text to white. So I'm selecting the text, going to my swatches on the left, double clicking, and I'll select white text. Okay, that's showing up much better than before. So that's it for today. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more graphic design and Illustrator tutorials. Thanks so much.